Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about how we can update the variable values basically. So for example, I have a variable, so let score equals to, let's say 10. Okay. Now I want to update the value of this score to something like 12. So what I can do something like, for first of all, let's do the console log of score. Okay. So which is now 10. Now what I can do something like score equals to score plus 2, something like that. Now it is 12. Okay, so we are redeclaring this particular value, but there is a shorthand for this particular one as well. So for example, what we want to do, we want to write this particular line in a shorter way. So how we can do that? We can do something like score and then plus equals and do something like 2. Okay, so what is happening here? So this line and this line is equivalent. Okay, if I just save that, as you can see, once again we are having 12. Okay, awesome. So this is the shorter syntax. We can do something like score minus equals to 2 as well. If I do that, it will be 10. So this is basically saying like, hey, do something like, let's do score. Okay, let me just do score equals to score minus 2. Okay, so so this line and this line is equivalent. Okay, then we can do something like score multiplied and equals to something like 2 as well. We can do that, and we have the divide equal as well. Okay, I'm not going into that. Okay, so this is how we can update the value of the variable. Now many of the times what you want to just increment the values of the variable by 1 or decrement the values of the variable by 1. So to do that, we have another shorthand syntax, which is the unary operators. So what I'll do, I'll just comment out these ones and this one as well. Okay, now for example, what I want to do, I want to do score equals to score plus 1. Okay, I can do that. So it is now 11. So this is totally fine. Or what I can do score plus equals to 1. Okay, that is totally fine as well. So these two lines are equivalent. Or what I can do, I can use the unary operator. So this has two sides, right? So this is the score and this is the value. So here what I can do score and do something like plus plus. Okay, hit save, and I'll just comment out this one. As you can see, it is adding 1 to the score value, and we can do it multiple times as well. Okay, all right. And also we have the score minus minus as well. So this is another unary value. It is basically subtracting 1 from the score. Okay, so as you can see, we are having 14 right now. Okay, so these are two of the unary operators. Now one of the other things which we can do, basically we can have a let bonus equals to something like 5. Okay, so we can use this bonus variable as well. So what I can do, I will just comment out this one and do something like unary operator. Okay, so what I can do something like score multiplies equals to bonus. Okay, basically we are just using the variable name here. So we are having 50 right now. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So this is how we can update the values of the variables inside of JavaScript. Okay, so we can use this particular syntax, we can use this shorthand syntax as well, and then we have the unary operators to add or minus 1 from the particular variable value. Okay, awesome. So in that way, we can update the variable values in JavaScript.